Hi guys, today I'll teach you how to play New Light by John Mayer. Here it goes. For the verse part, we'll divide it into two parts. The first part, the chords is A minor. The second chord is D. The third chord is G. And the last chord is C. The strumming pattern for this is down, down, up, up, down. So we need to play A minor, D, G, C twice. For the second part of the verse, which is, oh, you don't think twice about me, and maybe you're right to doubt me, it starts with A minor, and then D, and then G, and then B7. The strumming pattern is the same, it's down, down, up, up, down. If we're going to combine the verse, part 1 and part 2, it should sound like this one. For the chorus part, we're going to use the same chords as the verse, which is the AM, and then the D, and then the G, and C. We're going to use the same strumming pattern, which is down, down, up, up, down. And we need to repeat these chords 4 times. If we're going to play the chorus part, it should sound like this one. So that's it. I will try to do another tutorial for the lead part of the song. I hope you've learned from the video. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye for now!